Okay, dear students, welcome to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the feedback. We know there are the two type of feedbacks. One is the negative feedback, another is the positive feedback. Before this, we see that what is the feedback? Phenomena of feeding a portion of the output signal back to the input circuit is known as feedback. अगर हम आउटपुट को वापस से इनपुट में दे देते हैं तो ये हमारा फीडबैक कहलाता है. Because we know that there are several drawback of the open loop system in the especially in the op amp. When we are using it has the very high gain and there will be saturation or cutoff voltage we will get at the output. So to cope with these type of disadvantages of open loop, we use the negative feedback in the amplifiers. So what is the first we see the negative or degenerative feedback. Actually negative feedback is also called the degenerative feedback. Now we will see it with the example. Suppose we are taking the summer here and we are giving the input to it. The input is the Vs to the summer that is defined by the Vs, and the output goes to amplify. Here is the amplifier A and we are getting the some output. Now it is the plus and it is goes to the feedback element from where with this feedback element that is denoted by beta, it goes to the again to the summer. ये वापस से यहाँ summer पर चला जाता है और that is the minus. We can put the minus or we can put the plus here also. If we are saying it is the summer, then we put the sum. Now what happen if the here we are getting the output VO. Now we understand that if we give the input Vs and it is denoted by Vi, that is the input to the amplifier. Now we see when we give the Vs to this summer, then we are getting the output VO with the amplifier. Now this output is feedback to again that is denoted by VF or that is equal to the VO beta. If we are giving the input like this and output is 180 degree phase shift, we are getting the such output. अगर हमारा आउटपुट है वो 180 डिग्री फेज शिफ्ट होकर हमको मिल रहा है, then definitely it can be called the minus VO. हम इसको minus VO बोलेंगे. तो हमारा जो VF होगा that will be the minus VO beta and here we will get the VI will be Vs minus VO beta. That is the negative feedback because output is not in phase with the input. In this manner, the total gain of this closed loop will be denoted by AF is equal to A upon 1 plus A beta. That will be the total closed loop gain of this system with applying the feedback. So we can say the gain without feedback was A, after feedback it will be decreased because there are term added in the denominator. So we can say that in negative feedback, the feedback voltage is out of phase with the input signal and thus opposes it. Negative feedback reduces the gain of the amplifier. It also reduces the distortion, noise, and instability in the system. It tries to become the system to bring it to the verge of stability. Now this feedback increases bandwidth. फीडबैक की वजह से बैंडविड्थ भी इंक्रीज हो जाती है एंड improves the इनपुट आउटपुट इम्पेडेंसेस. ये हमारा इनपुट आउटपुट इम्पेडेंसेस को भी इम्प्रूव करता है सिस्टम के जो इनपुट आउटपुट इम्पेडेंसेस होते हैं. So due to these advantages, so there are several advantages due to which the negative feedback is frequently used in the amplifier. एम्पलीफायर्स में हम नेगेटिव फीडबैक को यूज करते हैं. बट व्हाट हैपन अगर हम इसको पॉजिटिव फीडबैक लें तो दैट इज द सेकंड इज द पॉजिटिव फीडबैक. और that is basically used in the positive or it is also called the regenerate feedback. In positive feedback, the feedback energy, voltage or current is in phase with the input signal and thus add it. ये इसमें add हो जाता है. As shown here, because the input is Vs and output is Vu, we see that output and input are in phase with each other. Due to which there is a feedback network beta also, and we are getting here Bf is equal to, that will be the beta Vo. यहाँ पर हमको बीटा Vo यहाँ पर हमको मिल रहा है. तो that beta Vo will be added to this Vs signal. ये हमारा Vs signal में add हो जाएगा. Then we are getting the Vi here. So in this manner the Vi is equal to, जो हमको यहाँ पर Vi मिलेगा, that will be the Vs plus beta Vo, that is the Vi. Now the overall gain of this system will be, after the feedback, positive feedback, the gain will be A upon 1 minus, that will be the A B, A beta. It means the our जो feedback है, that will be the gain will be reduces, the gain will be increases, because this term is less than 1, then gain will increase. So we study that the in positive feedback increases gain of the amplifier के gain को बढ़ा देते हैं, increases distortion, noise and stability, इन सबको ये increase कर देते हैं. So that principle is utilized basically in the oscillators. In oscillators, we basically what we will do, we will basically in oscillators, if we use this as a oscillator, then we does not use the input. If we remove the input, then it can be used as the oscillator. तो हम इसको oscillator की तरह भी यूज कर सकते हैं. So basically in oscillator it will remove, if we remove it, then there will be initially some noise signal that will amplify, and after 2-3 cycles the signal will be in the form of the sine wave that we get in the out. So we can say that the positive feedback, although that is the drawback of in the negative feedback system, because in amplifiers positive feedback is a drawback, but in the oscillator it is the beneficial, or it is used in oscillator that are used to generate the different type of waveform. So basically we can say, if we make the oscillator, then there will be amplifier. We can make the amplifier here. Then there will be only, we will give the DC input. to the amplifier, and there will be output. Here we will get the output in the amplifier without giving at the input is not present. That is the circuit of the oscillator. यहाँ पर ऑसिलेटर में हमने एम्पलीफायर को केवल हमने क्या दिया, वी हैव गिवन द डीसी इनपुट दैट इज द पावर सप्लाई एंड वी आर गेटिंग द आउटपुट हियर. यहाँ पर हमको आउटपुट मिल रहा है. बट इन केस ऑफ द amplifier, only if we are designing the amplifier, then there will be feedback present. यहाँ पर हम इनपुट देंगे, यहाँ पर हमारा आउटपुट आएगा एंड इट विल गो एज द फीडबैक. यहाँ पर हम फीडबैक भी देंगे. दैट इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस इन केस ऑफ द आवर एम्पलीफायर एंड द ऑसिलेटर. यहाँ पर हमको इनपुट की जरूरत हमें नहीं है. इनपुट इज नॉट नीडेड. Okay, thank you very much.